Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 4 best wireless backup cameras. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 4, we have the TVIRD wireless backup camera and monitor. This backup digital camera is taken into consideration a nice preference via many customers because it assists you to park your automobiles more comfortable even inside the tiniest of place. Your nights and days will now not be ruined for certain with hits and scratches to other automobiles. It is flawlessly sized with ergonomic seams and really clean to install and unpack. The conventional 135-degree viewing perspective is every other takeaway. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 3, we have the 2018 updated digital wireless backup camera. This can be the pleasant Wi-Fi digital camera in case you want a 100% no interference Wi-Fi alternative. The wireless signals can stay clear and easy even if the auto is moving at speeds of around 75 miles. The cameras are advanced that include infrared lights and the SUPECMOS sensors. This digital camera from Raptor additionally has many other exciting functions. At number 2, we have the Accfly wireless backup camera kit. According to many consumers' evaluations, this will rely as one of the exceptional wireless backup cameras due to its diverse functions. The Accfly Wi-Fi backup digicam should help lots in making parking of vehicles green and safe even the parking space is stingy. You will now not be losing time on parking and will now not damage both your vehicle or the motors already parked. It has a Wi-Fi layout and is straightforward to put in, and you can breathe unfastened because of the absence of any complex wiring and different such troubles. And finally at number 1, we have the Swift Hitch SH04 wireless battery backup camera. ZSMJ has a terrific song report in relation to Wi-Fi cameras, and consequently this model is sure to create pretty a bit of interest. It comes with a complete kit and suitable for cars, SUVs and other forms of vehicles. It has the nice of night vision and waterproof protection. This rear view camera gives 135-degree viewing perspective and additionally has 7 LED lights. The digital camera has various 82 featuring to 100 feet in an open location which receives decreased to 30 to 45 featuring at the same time as its miles hooked up on a car. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this wireless backup cameras, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.